Hello, this is a little try out. I'm just going to check some fucking levels. Oh no, it's falling off. It's falling off. There we go. Put it like that. It should be. Oh, hello. Rightio. Let's see if we can just like do some stuff. Hello? Here we go. Alright? It's just going to be called Fuck Off. Fuck off. Fuck off! I've had enough of you. You can fuck right off. All the time you are me. I am you. You can't see. Fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck off. I'm doing this because I'm bored. I'm doing this because I'm really snorting out my head every single day. There's nothing left to do. In every single situation, everybody's staring at their devices. So I thought I'd make a second thought about you, Sometimes I get mad, and it's all a little bit stupid and weird. Oh yes, baby. It's all just a little bit crazy. It's like, oh no, I'm gonna be fucking... Oh yeah, baby. Fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck off. What's that sound? In the background, like a million miles away, is someone with bronchitis or emphysema, or a very bad case of... Oh, so I got a very, very, very far cough. Far cough. Far cough. Far cough. Far cough. You've got a far cough. You get it? It's a joke. And that's like a little tryout. Okay?
just to see what happens.